Hello there! How's your day going? Pretty good? If you're here, you must be feeling ambitious because we are about to take the Swallowtail jig to a medium tempo, not a slow one. So, get your violins ready, make sure we're in tune. Here's our A. And boy, it is a great habit to just hum that or sing that note A. Because you'll internalize what your instrument should sound like. And then D. Do you sound like that? All right, here we go. Get our fingers in position. So open D string. 1, 3, and 4. And remember, they're all squished together because this is exact notes and this is how we feel the instrument was designed to be played in the first place before you do all the hard extensions, blah, blah, blah. Okay, medium tempo. 4 beats for count off, and we start on 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, I counted that wrong. 4. I'm sorry. 4, 1, 1. Okay, so this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 6 are on the repeat right there. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if I can get it correct this time without messing up. So you have a clean copy to practice off of. 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 1, 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the first 2 lines at a, pretty good medium tempo. Maybe I should practice that for a while. But I think what I'm going to do is just go right to making the next video where it will be fast. So if you got this, then when you're ready, go on to the next one. And good luck.